To a new video. Please subscribe to this channel for next important updates. In this video, I'll show you there is an update released on Apple MacBook. Update version is 15.1 and this is the public beta update. So at first you have to go to the system setting, and after that software update, and then you can find this update here. I have already updated to the latest 15.1 version. As you can see, macOS Sequoia beta 15.1. This is the second update for me, and before earlier it was 15.0, and there is a lot of issues, and one issue is like device screen time is counting while device is off or sleep, and now the problem is solved, I think, and I will review it later in detail. So subscribe to this channel, and here you can see that there is a new option, Apple Intelligence and Siri. So the finally wait is over. Apple Intelligence, that is Apple's AI. Now you will get Apple Intelligence in the latest 15.1 version. So this is really great, and as you can see the photo, when I go you see when you go to the Apple Photos app, and here is you can find the cleanup option, and this is first time in downloading cleanup, and after that you have to you will be able to use this without internet. Yes, that's true. So you can update if you want and try at your own risk. We are not responsible for anything. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video and share with others, and kindly subscribe this channel.